skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today is our second of 2 footwork sequences this week. On Sunday we had a beginner footwork sequence, and today we have a little bit more of a challenging footwork sequence. Now these are great to learn on their own, just to challenge your ability to have quick feet, to have use both feet, to turn different directions in quick succession. But just like last year, we are going to be putting together a Christmas choreographed program that's going to come out on Christmas Day. So in November, I'm going to teach you all that choreography. You're going to get to work on it, submit your videos back to me. I'll compile them all into a Christmas program that will go live on my Facebook and my YouTube and my Instagram all on Christmas. So you're going to want to practice this footwork so you're ready for that choreography down the road. Now this one has a number of different turns, and I'm going to post the tutorials for those down below. So you're going to want to know how to do backward 3 turns on both feet, forward 3 turns, brackets, and twizzles. All right, so it's a little bit more challenging, and you can look for those tutorials down below. But if you're ready, let's get started. So we are going to be moving in a counterclockwise direction. Okay, so I'm going to be starting on my left foot with a left forward outside 3 turn. That's probably the easiest part of this whole thing, all right, the very beginning. So we're going to start with that left forward outside 3 turn, moving in a clockwise direction. And I'm going to switch my feet to a right back outside 3 turn, still moving in that counterclockwise direction. Okay, so we have left forward outside 3 turn, right back in outside 3 turn. And from here, I'm on my right forward inside edge, and I'm going to step open into a Mohawk. Okay, so I'm going forward on my right inside edge, and I'm going to step backward on my left back outside edge. Okay, so we have a 3 turn Mohawk. Okay, so I'm just switching feet. I know I'm calling it a Mohawk, but it's just like the second half, right? So Mohawk is 2 steps, 1, 2. And all we're doing is that second half. So 3 turn, second half of the Mohawk. So that's the very beginning. Let's try that again. So once again, we have left forward outside 3 turn, right back outside 3 turn, step open into a Mohawk. Now we're going to push back and repeat that back 3 turn. 3 turn, step open into a Mohawk. So we've done that same sequence twice. Back 3 turn Mohawk, back 3 turn Mohawk. It's really cool. It kind of spins as you're moving, right? It's kind of a footworky spin. So now we are on our left back inside edge. I'm going to step wide onto my right back inside edge, and that's going to prepare me for a right back inside 3 turns. I'm going to look over my shoulder and turn. Okay, so we're switching feet. Right back inside edge, left back inside 3 turn. So going back inside edge to forward inside edge. All right, let's run through that again. Once again, from the beginning, we have a left forward outside 3 turn, right back outside 3 turn, Mohawk, right back outside 3 turn, Mohawk, step wide onto your right inside edge, step wide onto your left back inside edge, over your shoulder, and 3 turn. Okay, now we're moving on to a bracket. So I'm going to step down onto my right forward inside edge, face my body away from the circle, and do a right forward inside bracket. Okay, so it's important that you're looking away from the circle. Set your body up so you're looking at the wall, the outside of the rink, and we're going to do that bracket, staying facing outside the whole time. Okay, now we are going to do a little cross sequence. So we're standing on our right back outside edge. We're going to cross behind, step out, cross over. It's like a little grapevine. Back, out, over. So we have that right forward inside bracket, cross behind, step open, cross over. Now we're going to reach out with that right toe. We're still moving counterclockwise. I'm going to do a tap toe jump, and that'll put us on our right forward outside edge. We're going to switch to our left forward inside edge and do another bracket, so we're still facing away from the circle we've been creating. All right, so remember those brackets. It's really important that you face your body away from the circle the entire time. All right, ready? One more time from the top. We're almost done. One more move to add on. We're going to do a left forward outside 3 turn, right back outside 3 turn, Mohawk, right back outside 3 turn, Mohawk. Step wide on your right inside edge, step onto your left back inside edge. We're gonna do a 3 turn. Switch feet. Now we're gonna do a forward inside bracket on our right foot. Cross behind, step open, cross over. Tap toe on our right foot. Switch to your left forward inside edge, look down the ice, away from your circle. And we're gonna do a left forward inside bracket. Now we're ready to add one more final move on. I want you to switch to your right back outside edge, and we're gonna do a twizzle. And there is your entire footwork sequence. I know footwork sequences can be one of the most challenging elements of a program, so I really want you to work on this. We master our jumps and we can put those in a program, we master our spins, we can put those in a program, but when it comes time to do footwork, we're used to doing all the moves individually, but stringing them together, turning your body this way and that, checking one way, checking another way, it can be very complicated. And often people will slow down when it comes time for their footwork, where they should be maintaining their power. So I really want you to run these moves over and over and over until you have it really strong, really smooth, and all of those edges are clean, okay? So we're gonna do it again, and I want you to really pay attention to what edge I'm on for each part of the footwork sequence. All right, there is your footwork sequence. Practice it and have some fun with it. If you enjoyed this, please do give us that thumbs up, and as always, I look forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.